so let me tell y'all, I did my research, went online and saw a website with like tons of press-on nails, okay? And they were not the cheapest. They range from, let's say, the cheapest one I've seen is $14, $15 to about I'm sorry, y'all. They range from $14, $15 to $70, $75. So they were not the cheapest. Press-on nails are not really cheap, like some people might think, because most of the time when we talk about press-on nails, we think about, oh, Walmart, the dollar store, Dollar Tree, $1.99 nails. Yeah, those are great too for whomever can afford that. Those are great. So if that's what you can afford, why not? Anyway, so I'm a little distracted, excuse me. So yeah, I did decided to go with the cheapest option, since this is gonna be my first press-on nail. So I went on Amazon and I found this one, and the reviews were great, but what really attracted me to this specific one is the shape of it. It's the coffin shape, which I like, and the color. It is a burgundy matte color, which is perfect for the fall. Yeah, it's perfect for the fall. This is the time, this is the weather. So I decided to go with this. So yeah, take another look. Just look. Isn't that so beautiful? Oh my god. Yes. And it is not too long per se, because y'all know nurses cannot have long nails, so I tried to keep mine relatively short. So, and I also found this glue on Amazon, which I write the reviews, and this is what most people use here. Let me open this, y'all. Hold on. And with this glue, a lot of people say when they use this glue for the press-on nail, it does last them for as long as 2 weeks. So I'm glad you guys can see. Yes, it is a IBD brush on gel raisin, whatever y'all call it, what y'all can read. So alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try this on, and I will show you guys the after, well, this is the before look, so I'll show you guys the after look and how it come out and all that. Alright, so let's start it. I'm just gonna try to put the glue on, and this is I don't even know what the instruction says, and it's in French. Thankfully I just speak French, so I don't know about the people who don't speak French. How are they gonna read this? Like, y'all, they need to do this in French and English. See, I'm looking out for y'all. I'm looking out for y'all real bad. I can even lift this up. I know there's more instruction down here. Okay. Still in French. Alrighty, still in French. So sorry for y'all, but hey, your girl can speak French, so I got it. So this one I'm not really gonna use. This might be one of those dollar store glue that you put on and then it will come right off. So just hold on, I need some. I should have gathered all my equipment first, right? Okay, so this is the acetone. I'm just gonna clean my nails. Like he said, clean your nails first. So I have previously cleaned my nails, but I just wanna, you know, do it freshly before I start. Yeah, no judgment. That's how I clean my nail. If you do it differently, kudos to you. But that's how I do mine. So, oh my god, this just fit right in, y'all. Look at that. But the only thing I don't like about it is, like, look, I don't know if you guys can see it, they cut it kind of too. Yeah, you see that right there? You can clearly, here, let me show you. See? So you can see my nail over here, which the thickness not covering at all. So that's not good. And I think this is the biggest one. Yeah, this is not gonna work. This is so, ugh. I don't know, y'all. But this one does fit nicely, like. Okay, so, well, I don't know. Are these all the same size? What's up with this? I guess so. Anyways, let's see what we got here. Okay, so it's just like, oh wow, it's like a nail polish. I don't know. What did I do? I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Okay, can I be this one? Okay, yes, that. Okay, this one. Okay. Do that. This is how. Okay.